Pasta isn't just macaroni. There's fettuccine, rigatoni, farfalle, conchiglie, penne, and spaghetti. Did you know that if you want a light meal, you could opt for thin pastas and delicate sauces? All you have to do is melt some butter in a pan, saute garlic until it's soft, add boiled spaghetti and some fresh parsley, toss it all together with some Parmesan cheese. To finish it off, add some lemon juice and more butter. And you get a creamy, buttery aglio olio. And if you feel like you want something richer and heavier, try open pastas like farfalle in a rich tomato sauce. Melt your butter, saute garlic, sprinkle in some chili flakes. Now tie it all together with the tarty and tangy kick of tomato puree and mix until it thickens. For the next step, toss in the farfalle. Yes, the ones that look like butterflies. Finally, garnish with parmesan and fresh basil. For a hearty meal, choose a tubular pasta like penne. Heat up some olive oil in a pan, add the pesto mix and toss in your penne. Mix well until the ridges soak up every bit of saucy goodness, making each bite loaded with flavor. And serve with a healthy garnish of parmesan. Now you know how to make Fab Italian flavors as your piatto del giorno. Have we missed out on any of your favorites? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more cheesy recipes.